If you've ever accidentally closed a sprint in Jira or realized you need to make some adjustments after finishing things up, don't worry, you're definitely not alone. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to reopen a closed sprint in Jira using the 2024 interface. By the end of this video, you'll be able to get your sprint back up and running, so you can fix mistakes, add leftover tasks, or simply make those last-minute updates that always seem to pop up. Alright, let's dive straight in. First, you'll want to open up Jira in your browser. Now, it might sound obvious, but make sure you're actually logged into the right Jira workspace where your Scrum project lives. Sometimes, if you're juggling multiple projects or teams, it's easy to end up in the wrong spot, so double-check before moving forward. Next up, navigate to your Scrum project. This is the hub where everything for your team's workflow lives. You can usually find it on the sidebar or home page. If you've got a long list, typing the project name in the search bar might save you a few seconds. Once you're inside your Scrum project, look for the Reports section. This is where Jira compiles all those useful charts and summaries, showing how your team is doing. Go ahead and click on Reports. Whether you're a Scrum Master or a developer, getting comfortable in this part of Jira is super helpful for tracking sprint progress and outcomes. Now you'll see a list of different reports you can review. We're interested in the Sprint Burndown chart or the Sprint Report. Either of these will work, both let you access information about past sprints. I usually go with the Sprint Report because it gives a clear summary of tasks and statuses. Click the one you prefer and you'll see a new page pop up. Look to the top left of the report page where you'll find a drop-down menu listing all your recent sprints. Find the sprint you accidentally closed or need to reopen. If you don't see it immediately, give the menu a moment to load. Sometimes it takes a few seconds, especially if there are a lot of sprints in your project. It's a bit like flipping through a stack of completed project folders to find the right one. Here's the important part. Once you've selected your closed sprint, look to the right side of your screen. You'll notice three little dots in a vertical line, kind of like the settings or options menu you might see on your phone. Go ahead and click on those three dots. A small menu will appear, and in that menu, choose Reopen Sprint. Jira will pop up a confirmation message before it makes any changes. This is just a final safety check in case you clicked by accident. The prompt might ask something like, "Are you sure you want to reopen this sprint?" Don't worry, you won't mess anything up by double-checking here. It just helps prevent accidental edits to your team's work history. Once you're sure, click Reopen Sprint. And that's it. Jira will move your sprint back to the active sprints list, just like rewinding a project to fix or finish something up. This feature is a real lifesaver if a user story slipped through the cracks, or you need to tie up a few loose ends before closing things out for real. So that's all there is to it. If this video helped you rescue a sprint or smooth over a sprint mishap, give it a thumbs up, and if you've got questions or want to share your own Jira experiences, drop a comment below. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more step-by-step Scrum and Agile tutorials from Asia Scrum Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.